alle se lieflike mensies.
Hallo allemaal so lieflikse mense.
Mense, Nikki wil vir julle baie sê, moenie huil nie. Nikki gaan nou vir julle baie sê, ons gaan nou weggaan en dan gaan ek vir Nikki mis.
Ja, sy gaan nou huis toe.
En dan gaan ek vir jou mis.
Ja.
Hoe?
En ek wil jou mis.
As dat, nog een
Ja.
muziekje? Gaat ze me redden, Babas? Hoe gaat ze me mis?
Als huis toe gaan, dan mis ik jou.
Hoe? Bij je?
Ja.
Ik ga voor jou mis. En gaat ze niet de YouTube mensen missen?
Ja.
Jij gaat van bij je mis, ik wil alleen. Ik val juist niet. Remember this? Forget this.
Look guys, I can do anything.
So guys, Nikki is going home and I'm going home. So we are not staying in the same places. So I'm going to miss Nikki. Nikki is the cutest girl I met now. So, yeah. I'm going to miss her so much. So, time to spend good time with her. So, Nikki, remember this. I'd always love Nikki's sister. The first time I was see her, then I feel, we are going to make many videos on YouTube, and I don't think that Nikki is a princess, and Nikki did always tell me that, Lele, make my edges. Lele, are you my sister? And I would tell her, yes, Nikki. And Nikki was like a sister to me, and Nikki was like playing with me, and Nikki was like making grappen. Okay, gaan in Engels say. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you in English about grappen. I'm just gonna praat Kombuis style. So yeah, Nikki is gonna miss you, and we are going to miss Nikki. So today is the chance to say goodbye to Nikki. Nikki, say goodbye.
Bye guys.
Love you.
I love you too.